Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here walking around a 2014 BMW 650i convertible with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you think about the 650. Also, don't forget to smash that bell. That'll get you notifications about our upcoming inventory and these walkarounds as they're made. We do this to be as transparent as possible, showing you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those photos and everything else we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the 650, so let's go ahead and get the walk around started. Okay, everyone, we are walking around the 650. As you can see, there's good tread on the tires. There are a few small chips here, and when I say small, as you can see compared to my finger, they are very minor. I normally say well above average condition. This is in astonishing condition. For a 9-year-old, 103,000 mile plus vehicle, the finish, the clear coat, there's not a heavy scratch, a dent, a ding, a scuff anywhere to be seen. Just a couple of very minor chips. And the convertible top is in an almost new condition. Let's go ahead and show you the interior. All right, what doesn't show up in our photos? This side of the visors, the headliner, and the top of the dash. Also, you might not be able to see the slight discoloration on the bolster, but as I said, that's very minor. This car's seen 103,000 miles in 9 years of life. If you have any questions about the interior or exterior condition, remember to call Jennifer. Her number is located at the bottom of your screen. She can also answer any financing option questions or some shipping option questions. Stay tuned to hear the engine run.